Hello, allow us to introduce ourselves to you so you have an idea of whom you are dealing with. Welcome to yet another no-thrills video taken by John, Joanna, or Poppy for our site bg.house. The company name is Nyama Problemi, which when translated, means no problems. Our property website is www.bg.house. All properties offered to you are 100% freehold, and we have been selling properties for 20 years, so we have all the experience to help in any situation. Our main office is located in the town of Popovo. Popovo is a small but busy town with a village-like community with a feel and outlook, which of course is a very safe environment to live, work and play. Whether as a retiree, young couple, or even as a child attending school, there is a lot to be said for the area of Popovo, which is in Zvezda. As Bulgarian edges closer to adopting the euro, property prices are on the move. Although there are some low-end investments still being offered on the market, these days they are becoming less and less as the prices are on the rise. As you watch the videos of these low-end properties, you may find yourself shocked by the state of the properties or the grounds, with literally rubbish left behind as they had not been cleaned out prior to being offered for sale. Or the gardens are all overgrown. Well, believe it or not, that is very good news for any low-end investor or purchaser. This means you are looking at a property with the scope to make a profit or buy it at its absolute lowest market price, with no more than a few days' work cleaning and moving rubbish. The property itself can be resold at a profit. Without a massive outlay on repairs, this is just one way to make a profit with ease. We are always on hand to offer advice if needed. On the other hand, there is an unbelievable demand for finished properties that are ready to move into. So again, the real estate market is well worth looking into. There seems to be something for everybody. Please subscribe to our channel below and visit our website and see what there is for you.
Bulgarian old house with views. Are you looking for a charming and affordable property in Bulgaria? Look no further than this old house for sale in the picturesque village of Zvezda, located just 10 minutes away from the bustling town of Popovo. With its peaceful atmosphere and beautiful views, this property is the perfect place to call home or to use as a vacation retreat. Situated on a top of the village, this old house offers stunning views of the surrounding countryside. The property comes with 1,200 square meters of land, providing plenty of space for outdoor activities and gardening. The land is also perfect for those who are looking for a potential business opportunity, such as starting a small farm or building a vacation rental. The house itself is a traditional Bulgarian-style building, with a stone foundation and a red-tiled roof. It has 2 stories, with a room and a stone basement downstairs, and 3 rooms upstairs. The layout is perfect for those who appreciate the rustic charm of old houses. The rooms are spacious and filled with natural light, providing a warm and welcoming atmosphere. One of the main advantages of this property is its location. Zvezda is a small and friendly village, with a population of around 500 people. It is the perfect place for those who want to experience the peaceful and slow-paced lifestyle of rural Bulgaria. However, if you ever feel the need for a change of scenery, the larger town of Popovo is just a short drive away. There, you can find all the necessary amenities such as supermarkets, shops, restaurants, and cafes. The village of Zvezda is also conveniently located within driving distance of major cities and attractions in Bulgaria. It is just an hour away from the historical city of Veliko Tarnovo, known for its stunning architecture and rich cultural heritage. The city of Ruse, which is located on the banks of the Danube River, is also just an hour away. Additionally, the international airport in Varna is only 1.30 hours away, making it easy to travel to and from the property. Investing in this old house in Zvezda is not only a good opportunity to own a charming property in Bulgaria, but it is also a smart financial move. The cost of living in Bulgaria is relatively low compared to other European countries, making it an affordable option for those who are looking to retire or relocate. The property can also be used as a vacation rental, providing a potential source of income. In conclusion, this old house for sale in Zvezda, Popovo, is a rare find. With its beautiful views, peaceful location, and potential for a business opportunity, it is the perfect investment in Bulgaria. Don't miss out on the chance to own a piece of Bulgarian charm and start living the laid-back lifestyle of rural Bulgaria.